Banggood is so fast in delivery. Ordered it on Monday, it's Friday today, and it's already at home. Wait to get home. My package arrived. Nice. I ordered the TX16S, so let's go. Cue the intro, let's go. Let's go. I ordered the Radiomaster TX16. A friend of mine said this was the remote to go with. Still learning the essence of first-person droning. Yeah, I have no clue what I bought. No clue. We'll see in a second. Sorry about that. The box, it's like almost flawless. A couple of corners are a bit dented, but yeah, I don't really care. Look at that box, it's magnificent. Whoa. Beautiful foam box, some stickers, and a quick start guide. Wow. And a quick start guide, which I will be needing. So yeah. The moment I waited for. Oh, wow. Oh. Ooh. Okay. These feel a lot better. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. It is indeed nice in the hand. This is why I wanted it. I don't know if it's sharp or not. Let's see if we can sharpen the image. Not too close. Yeah, it's USB-C. That's on the top. Wow, what a remote. Okay. I'm really getting into FPV right now. What else is in the box? Ooh, they even give you a front protector. That's awesome. A keychain, which I'm going to use. I have no clue. Springs. Oh, and they even give you a cable. Wow, that's perfect. That is perfect. I don't have a lot of USB-Cs to spare actually. That's it. So, a USB cable, some springs. I think it's to repair things. A keychain, which I'm going to use. A screen protector, which I'm going to use. Yeah, that's it. This box I'm going to use too. So this was a really quick video of the TX16S unboxing, ordered from Banggood this Monday, delivered on Friday. Ordered it in Europe, and it has been sent from Czech Republic in English, I think. Yeah, Czech Republic. Yeah, fast delivery, feels really quality. Let me get used to this device, and I'll try and make an in-depth review, as in-depth as I can go. Which, like, I'm a starter FPV flyer, only just starting out racing in sims, or yeah, not really racing but freestyling more, because I want to use this hobby for my photography hobby. Yeah, short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.